If you're unable to access BIOS/boot menu option, there is a way in Windows 10 or 11. You have to hold down the Shift key on the left side and restart your laptop/PC. Let go when you see "Please wait." On your model, it may differ. This screen will show up. You need to click on this, then click on that, then here you will find it. Uefi firmware settings, and then on the HP laptops is F10 to enter BIOS configuration settings, Uefi. So here it is. Now you know what to do if you're unable to access BIOS by tapping the keys. And in BIOS, you can also access boot menu option. Method 2, change DVI to HDMI port or vice versa. And if you have a second monitor connected, remove this and try only use the one. Method 3. This solution is very effective. Update your BIOS firmware driver from the official manufacturer website. So go onto the official website and download the driver. Comment below and let me know if any of these 3 solutions has worked for you.